What's up guys, David Falla here. Welcome to my channel, and on today's video we are going to be talking about the one clipper that we all have been waiting for years. I'm talking about the new gold Wahl magic clip. Very nice to have you guys here, and I'm super excited today to bring you guys this review. The reason why is because I've been waiting for a very long time to get an improvement on the magic clip. I think I've been waiting for like 7 to 8 years since Wahl has released anything with regards to magic clip. So I'm super pumped to be able to bring this video. Honestly, this is the #1 clipper I used to recommend to anybody starting in this industry because in my opinion, it was the best fading clipper, right? Unfortunately, a lot of other companies have, or fortunately, however you want to look at it, have released amazing clippers. So the magic clip was getting outdated and it was becoming hard to recommend, right? But with this, I have great news with this clipper, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. So we're gonna start with the box, right? I did an unboxing for Instagram and Facebook. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna leave the link right here so you can just click on and see it. But pretty much we're gonna go through the box really quick. This is the box. It's a very nice box. Wahl has been doing a good job with the box. Not the best unboxing experience, but it's better than what it was before, right? This is what the box looks like. This is the back, the side, and what it tells you what it comes with it, and this is the back, which is what Wahl wants you to know about this clipper. It has a staggered tooth blade with a crunch technology. That means that the blade, the cutting blade, has some long teeth and some short teeth. Why is that good? Because it acts like a texturizing shear. That means that when you're cutting the hair, you kind of texture the hair at the same time. This is why I always say that this was the best fading clipper. It was because it gives you a very nice look because it textures the hair to make it a lot easier, a lot softer when you're creating fades. So that's the number one reason why this machine was so popular, because it made it a lot easier to fade. It says it also has a crunch technology. That means that when you're cutting, you can hear the sound on the crunch cutting, like the blade cutting the hair. This is great because first, it's a very nice sound. Second, it lets you know when it's time to change your guards, right? When you don't hear the machine cutting anymore, then it's time to change your guards. Okay, what else? It says it has a metal lever adjustment. So that means that the lever is metal, as you guys can see here. You see it's a metal thing. The whole clipper is plastic. This is good because first, it doesn't get as hot as quickly, or that is the principle for plastic clippers versus metal, that obviously because it's metal, it can get hot quicker. Second, it's a lot lighter, right? When you make a clipper that is metal, obviously it's gonna be a lot heavier. This one is light. It's not as light as the previous one. It does have a little bit of weight on it. So for people that like very light clippers, this is already kind of getting away a little bit from that. I'm not saying it's as heavy as the seniors, for example, but it is heavier than the previous, okay? So for me, it's actually great because the magic clip, the old one, used to feel like a toy in my hand. This one feels like it has a little weight to it, and I actually like that a lot. Okay, what else on the box? It says that it has a high carbon steel blade with titanium and DLC coating. So that means that it has a different type of metal on the blade, and it's supposed to be to avoid the blade getting hotter, like hot as quickly, right? But I gotta be honest with you guys, it gets hot, the blade gets hot, and I was very surprised because the magic clip took a little bit longer to get hot, the old one. This one gets hot quick. And what do I mean quick? Sometimes I use this clipper for the whole haircut. By the time I'm trying to erase the skin line, the clipper is hot, so I have to change it, which is something that never happened before. My belief is because the motor is a lot stronger and maybe moves the blade a lot quicker. It does get hot quickly. I would say, like, if I'm gonna use this without avoiding getting hot, I have to use a different clipper to do most of my haircut. Maybe use this to finish the haircut, right? Because I said the blade does get hot pretty quickly. He also says that it comes with the stand, which I'm super excited that Wahl is including the stand with the clippers now. Like, that is amazing because honestly, like, That is the right thing to do, in my opinion. I'm super happy the Wahl is listening. Also with this clipper, it comes with all the premium guards. Super excited how it said the Wahl is finally listening to what barbers want. You know, it was kind of difficult to get a clipper and you didn't have guards, so you cannot use it. That was kind of never made sense to me. Also, like the charging stand, since they have it, why not include in the box like that? You can just put it to charge instead of having that cable hang everywhere. That was one of the reasons why I started using clippers that had the 245 charging dock, or it came with a dock, because I was tired of having those cables all over the place. So you know what, honestly, Wahl, I appreciate that you guys are listening and you guys included the guards plus the charging stand. I think that's amazing. And he says that it has up to 100-minute runtime. So something that we always complain when it comes to Wahl clippers is the battery. The battery is usually is not the greatest. This is a little improvement from the one before. I think the one before was like 80 minutes. This is 100 minutes. It's an improvement, not the greatest improvement. We all know there's clippers out there that have way better battery. But honestly, if you have it in the dock, you know, you put it there to charge, it does great. I've been using it like the whole day in every haircut, not consistently every haircut, how I said, because of how hot it gets, but I've been using it in every haircut without charging the whole day. I can leave it there and the next day I start using it again. I can do maybe like 1 or 2 extra haircuts and then the light starts flashing. So I think the battery is pretty decent. If you are going to a house, you're going somewhere else, maybe that, you know, you gotta be careful how many haircuts you're gonna do, because if not, you might need 2 of these or 2 different clippers. Depends on how many haircuts you're going to do. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the motor, right? That was one of the main complaints people had when it came to the Magic Clip, the old Magic Clip, was because the motor felt like it was always dying. Every time, even if it was brand new, you would turn it on, it just felt like it was always dying. So in this case, they definitely improved the motor. You can feel the difference. I'll say it's a little bit heavier. It does have a lot of power. You can feel the power. So talking to Wahl, I kind of wanted to get my numbers right? So the old, I have up here messages with them. So the old Magic Clip had a 5,500 RPM motor, right? How I said it did the job, but it wasn't the greatest to remove bulk, and how I said it always felt like it was dying, right? This one right here, and this, I got this information directly from Wahl, has between a 6,500 to a 6,600 RPM motor. So that's almost 1,000 RPMs extra that it has. So it definitely has some power, and I would say it's like, now is more in the same line as a lot of other clippers that are on the market, because, you know, clippers have been getting a lot stronger, a lot better when it comes to more efficient with the motors. So I think this is now a pair with that. So I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on this clipper and if you should buy it or not. What I'm gonna tell you right now is that this is a massive improvement from the previous version. So if you were looking for something better than the previous Magic Clip, this is definitely one you're gonna be very happy with it, okay? I'm gonna tell you the things that I like and the things that I don't like. I love the new motor. I think it's great. It has a lot of power. I love the improvement of the blade. It definitely grabs the hair and it does the same thing as before. It really feathers the hair very nicely when you're fading. So that's definitely a plus. I love that it's plastic just because it's a little bit lighter, right? But it does a little weight. It has a weight to it. So I actually appreciate that. I don't like the color. I think that we are so tired of the same gold color. I think Wahl is 4 or 5 years late when it came to like adding gold to their clippers. I think that, and I hope that that stops at some point because it just looks so tacky. But you know, some people do like the gold, so I understand why companies still do it. But I definitely feel like this should have been done like 4 or 5 years ago, okay? I do like the battery. I think it's an improvement in the battery. It's not as good as other clippers, but it's still great. It's a great clipper. So in my opinion, I think this is a well-recommended clipper. I think if you buy it, you're gonna be super happy with it. This is the clipper that I'm using now. I put away all my other clippers. I'm just using this one for now, and I think it's great. It's been doing everything. How I said, the only thing that I don't like is the color and that the blade gets a little bit hot, but besides that, it's an amazing clipper. So for anybody that is interested in getting this clipper, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You can just click on it and then it will take you to the store so you can get yours. I think that you are gonna be very happy, especially for those barbers that like Wahl clippers. You guys are gonna be blown away by this one, and I definitely recommend it, okay? And that's it for the video, guys. Let me know what you think of the video, what you think of the clipper. Leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and like it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.